Care for sensitive skin with barley grass oil and chamomile essence. Sensitive skin can be a difficult condition to manage, but with the right ingredients, you can keep your skin looking and feeling healthy. Barley grass oil and chamomile essence are two natural ingredients that can help to soothe and protect sensitive skin. Barley grass oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help to nourish and protect the skin. It can also help to reduce inflammation and redness. Chamomile essence is a natural oil that is known for its calming and soothing properties. It can help to reduce irritation and inflammation, and can also help to reduce redness. When combined together, barley grass oil and chamomile essence make a powerful combination for sensitive skin care. The mixture can be used as a cleanser or toner to help remove impurities and dirt. It can also be used as a moisturizer to help keep the skin hydrated. With regular use, the mixture can help to keep sensitive skin balanced and healthy. Caring for sensitive skin can be a challenge, but using natural ingredients like barley grass oil and chamomile essence can be a great way to nourish and soothe the skin without causing irritation. Barley grass oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which can help to protect the skin from environmental damage and improve its overall health and appearance. Chamomile essence, on the other hand, has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and irritation, making it a great choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. To create a DIY sensitive skin care treatment using barley grass oil and chamomile essence, start by mixing 1 tablespoon of barley grass oil with a few drops of chamomile essence in a small bowl. Stir well to create a mixture, and then apply it to your face using a clean brush or your fingertips. Massage the mixture into your skin, paying special attention to any areas of redness or irritation. Leave the mixture on for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it has fully absorbed into the skin. Then, rinse your face with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. One of the benefits of using barley grass oil and chamomile essence in a sensitive skin care treatment is that they both have natural anti-inflammatory properties. This means that the treatment can help to reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation in the skin, making it a great choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Additionally, barley grass oil contains antioxidants and essential fatty acids that can help to protect and nourish the skin, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Meanwhile, chamomile essence can help to soothe and calm the skin, reducing irritation and promoting a sense of relaxation. Another benefit of using barley grass oil and chamomile essence in a sensitive skin care treatment is that they both have natural moisturizing properties. Barley grass oil is rich in essential fatty acids, which can help to hydrate and nourish the skin, while chamomile essence contains natural humectants that can help to lock in moisture and prevent dryness. This can be particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin, as dryness can often exacerbate redness and inflammation. In addition to their anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, barley grass oil and chamomile essence also work together to provide gentle exfoliation. Barley grass oil contains natural exfoliating agents that can help to remove dead skin cells and promote healthy cell turnover, while chamomile essence contains natural alpha-hydroxy acids that can help to gently exfoliate the skin and improve its texture. This can help to improve the overall appearance and health of the skin, leaving it looking bright and refreshed. Overall, a DIY sensitive skin care treatment made from barley grass oil and chamomile essence can be a great way to nourish and soothe your skin without causing irritation. By using natural ingredients like barley grass oil and chamomile essence,